Blueface baby, yeah right. I'm about to teach you how to make a Blueface type beat on the deadlogs. We finna f them. First, you want to start off with a simple piano loop like on Beat It. I went ahead and added some reverb to it on the deadlogs. But you can't let the loop get old. Where the bass at? Then, we need to add that LA bop to it. Add some simple claps. Some spotty hats. I added a rim perk to get some more groove. I added a bell perk for even more groove. Your kicks have to be strong. Make sure they bump like this on the deadlogs. I even added an extra 808 just to catch him slipping. To tie everything together and give that LA sound, I added a smooth pad. We finna f them. Yeah right. Never let the heat get cold. Where the beat at?